Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I have an order from Beadcraft Babe, and I always order from her shop. She had it shut down for a while. She did open it back up, but I'm not sure as to how long. I will link her channel, her YouTube channel, and I'll link her website down below in the description box. I've already got this open because I messed up my video. So I'm redoing it again. So what I ordered was this bead mix. It's like an ocean type themed bead mix. Let's see. I ordered these. I like to use these for spacers. Then I ordered some of these heart clasps. I thought they were super cute. And then I ordered some jump rings. I love these because if I make like an elastic bracelet, you can hide the knot in these, and then you can put a charm down below. Some bead mixes because you can use these for anything. Then I ordered some, I think these are split rings. Yeah, I ordered a small pack of split rings. And then I ordered a mixture of spacers between your beads. Stars, daisy spacers, things like that. And I thought this was really cute. I really like this. And then of course I love these. I think they're Hashi. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I love using these. You can use these for bracelets. They are so cute on bracelets. They're just absolutely beautiful. I love these beads. I still have some in my stash somewhere, but I wanted these colors because these are my favorite colors. And with the $20 order, you get some free beads that says thank you for your order. So I thought I'd stop the video and then show you a couple things I made from her products. Well, I made two. The first thing I made was this bracelet here. This I believe I got from her a long time ago, and then I couldn't find a gold one, but these came out of the spacer mix. And this is just a crimp from the glue and stuff, and it kind of got squished a little bit, but it's going to my daughter. Anyway, so that's the first thing I made, and it fits me okay. It's made for her wrist. Her wrist is smaller than mine. Sorry for the shadow. I'll show you again without the shadow. So this is really tough elastic, sparkling elastic. That was in my stash. And this lady's face with the crimp. It's called a crimp bead cover. That's what it is. Crimp bead cover to pretty much hide the knot with the glue. The next thing I made was this here, and I made this in the intentions of giving it to my daughter so she can use it like as a, I don't know, maybe a keychain or something. And she could also take it off. But it's kind of big and bulky for me. But that's what I made. And I put a heart here, heart charm that was in my stash. And this was in my stash as well. Pretty much hides the knot. And that's what I made out of the other beads I got from her. Too bulky for me, but like I said, you can use it for like a key ring, keychain, something. And that's what I did. So those two are for her. And that's what I made. So I hope you like it. Happy Friday, everyone. I would like to thank all my new subscribers and all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of my 2 bracelets I made. And yeah, alright, everyone. Take care. Bye.